And I did want to pursue the typical route of going to medical school. In fact, I was accepted in the US-based program. But when I learned about OUM, it gave me the offer, it gave me the chance of doing, having best of both worlds, if you will. Being able to work and continue learning in the clinical setting, and then go back and fill in all the holes in the theoretical setting by being a medical student. So it gave me that option, and I thought there was nothing better than that at that time for me. I'm not going to sugarcoat this. It was a lot harder than I thought. The reason being, the longer you are in working as a clinician, and I was working as a clinician, you get accustomed to what you do and what you know. But there's so much more that you don't know. And so when you actually start studying those things again and taking your time in a different course, I mean, in PA school, you sort of shortcut through medical school. And there's a lot of theory that's not filled in, but you're a good practitioner because you can diagnose and treat. But going back to med school, you learn a lot more that you didn't know. And it makes you a little uncomfortable with learning things you've never learned before. But I would say it was harder because you're trained to think one way, and then you have to expand your horizons and think broadly. And sometimes that takes a little bit longer, but it's doable, definitely.